Hi and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to generate random numbers in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, you should be able to generate four-digit random numbers. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So in order to generate a random number, I'm going to have to use a function called RANDBETWEEN. So I'm going to click in B2 where I would like my first random number, and I'm going to type equals RANDBETWEEN with a left parenthesis. And the first argument I'm being prompted for is a bottom number. Now think about this with me for a minute. I want to generate a 4-digit random number. So in order to do that, the first number I need to start with would be 1,000 because that's the first number where I have 4 digits. So then I'm going to type a comma. And my next argument is what is the top of this scale that I would like. So the last 4-digit number I could come up with would be 9,999. So I'm going to type that in there, close my parentheses, and hit enter. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. And I can see that I've now generated a random 4-digit number between 1,000 and 9,999. So for my next 3, I'm going to do the same thing. Equals RANDBETWEEN with the left parenthesis. I'm going to use 1,000 for the bottom and 9,999 for the top and hit enter. Same thing here. And same thing here. And now I can see that I have 4 randomly generated numbers for each one of the people in my list. Now there are other ways to do random numbers, and we go into that a little bit more out on our blog. I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.